thing. So that's useful.
Sorry.
Anyways, let's just get out of this dungeon and I'll quit playing. Some Japanese. It's the yeah!
Don't you promise not to do that anymore?
I can't keep promises. I promised I would upload that video that I'm uploading right now later. But I'm getting hate Mailland for doing this before me. But I'm still keeping subscribed. Maybe he knows Japanese. They still watch my videos because I'm an amateur. Don't you want to see amateurs play? That'd be way more than you stupid pros. Flashy! Flashy! Whoa! That's cool, dude! I wonder if this game is about to... Oh, it's a boss. He's attacking me. Yay! I killed him! That was easy. Yay! Then they magically reappear. And my first boss.
Zubat and Koffing are on the ground, dying. Now they're back up in the air. They're...
Yay! The magic rock! Maybe it's the Rosetta Stone and I'll translate the game into English. That was a weird noise. It's a rock! Yay! I have a rock! Let's Pie-Man! Pie-Man!
Let's Pie-Man, Pie-Man.
Let's do the Pie-Man! The Pie-Man!
Thank you, apparently.
Blah 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 blah! I'm thinking! There's no noise. It's the Rosetta Stone! Let's translate this game into English, baby! Come on. English.
Maybe if you set your DS to Japanese so it translates to English.
That's logical, Jonathan. Very logical.
I'm just joking. I'm gonna watch it from the whatever.
From the TV?
Yeah.
Whoa! The stone's pretty. Huh? It has... Oh, it's not the Rosetta Stone.
Damn.
Blah 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 blah. Well, it's being sped up, but so far we're precisely 20 minutes in. And I'm gonna have very little space left in my hard drive. I'm recording in high quality, despite the fact that I am uploading it onto YouTube. Not Rever. Not Rever. No. Never.
What's Rever?
Shut up. I'm sounding like an idiot. Sure. Pika. That's his name. Pika. I'm Pie-Man. He's stupid. Rescue team of Pie-Man and Pika.
Sorry.
Stop. Yeah! We're forming a rescue team.
If you don't get to say
Yeah! Blah blah blah! Pika Pie-Man! Pika E Pie-Man. It's Spanish, but... Yeah. I know more Spanish than I do Japanese. That's... The Pokemon Company, Chunsoft, presents Pokemon Fushigi no Danjan Toki no Tenkantai!
come on, get to a saving point, you stupid.
Would you like to save the game? Yes. Saving.
It actually saved. Oh, man, I think we should stop here.
Saving.
Saving.
Saving a lot of data, like, you know, like in Diamond Pearl. Saving a lot of data.
Hey, hey, it may say
Save
that.
complete. I hope.
Chapter 2.
Chapter -2.
Okay, can we quit now?
Alright, bye bye everybody! See you next time!